If you see the message Claude is disabled inside Claude AI, it typically indicates that access is being limited by your account status, your region, or your network settings rather than a random glitch. This tutorial outlines reliable fixes step by step. Step 1. Confirm your account status. Ensure your account is in good standing and fully verified, including any required email or phone checks. Log out of your account, then log back in using the same sign-in method you used before, such as Google Login or direct email login. A fresh session often clears stale authorization issues. Step 2. Disable VPN or proxy. Claude may restrict access when it detects unusual or shifting locations. Turn off any active VPN or proxy service. Refresh the page and test again. Step 3. Switch networks. Move from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Avoid school or workplace networks, which often block AI tools or certain ports. Step 4. Clear browser, cache, and cookies. A broken session stored in your browser can trigger the error. In Google Chrome, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete, select Cookies and Cache Files, then click Clear Data, restart the browser, and try again. Step 5. Try a different browser or device. Open a private or incognito window or switch to a different browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. This isolates the issue in case an extension or an old profile is interfering. Step 6. Verify regional availability. Claude is not supported in all regions. Access from a restricted area can trigger this message. Ensure you are using a supported location and that your account region is eligible for service. Step 7. Wait and retry. Temporary server limits, rate limits, or maintenance can cause this error. Wait 10 to 30 minutes, then retry. Step 8. Contact support. If you suspect your account has been flagged, suspended, or otherwise limited, contact Anthropic support. Visit the official Claude or Anthropic support page and include the exact error message in a screenshot, along with any recent changes you made to your network or browser. Quick troubleshooting path. For a quick resolution, try these steps in order. Turn off VPN, switch networks, clear cache and cookies. Log out and back in. Try another browser, then wait and retry. One of these methods almost always resolves the Claude is disabled error. Conclusion. The Claude is disabled error is typically caused by account verification issues, VPN or proxy interference, network restrictions, cached session data, regional unavailability, or temporary server limits. Following the troubleshooting steps in order will resolve the issue in most cases. If all else fails, contacting Anthropic support with detailed information is the final recourse.